Hello everyone, welcome to the learning module of Aristozyme Gold. In this module, we will study about the digestive system in short, what is indigestion as well as management of indigestion. Aristozyme has crossed 100 crores and is the first digestive brand in the market. Congratulations to aristocrats of MF2 team for this wonderful achievement. Let's move forward and take Aristozyme to newer orbit. Before we go on to the product, let us understand the digestive system first. Digestive system starts with the mouth and ends at anus. The parts of the digestive system are mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Supportive organs in the digestive system are teeth and tongue, salivary glands, liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Now let us see the journey of food inside the body. Ingestion is the process of eating. That is, first the food is ingested through mouth, that is known as the process of eating. Then the food moves in the downward direction through peristalsis. And then the digestive enzymes are secreted. Also other substances are secreted which chemically breaks down the food. Now let us take a look at the types of digestion. So digestion is of two types. First is mechanical digestion, in which the food is physically broken down into smaller pieces. Second is chemical digestion, in which the food is chemically broken down with the help of the enzymes. The digested food, that is nutrients, is absorbed into the body. So basically absorption is the entrance of the digested food into the body, and finally the undigested material is eliminated from the body, and this process is known as defecation. So this was all about the digestion. Now let us see what is indigestion. So indigestion, which is also known as dyspepsia or an upset stomach or discomfort in the upper abdomen. Indigestion is not a disease but rather symptoms we experience, including abdominal pain and feeling of fullness soon after we start eating. Symptoms of indigestion are, as I said earlier, one will have a feeling of fullness soon while having a meal. There will be discomfort or pain in the abdomen. Since the food is not getting digested properly, there will be burning in the upper abdomen. Bloating in the upper abdomen. One may also feel nauseated because of indigestion. Less frequent symptoms include belching and vomiting. Common causes of indigestion are dietary pattern. Dietary pattern includes overeating or eating too quickly, then consuming caffeine or alcohol and smoking, and also consuming fatty or spicy food. Second cause is disease. Disease includes inflammation of stomach, that is gastritis, peptic ulcers, constipation or pancreas inflammation, which is also known as pancreatitis. The digested food, that is nutrients, is absorbed into the body. So basically absorption is the entrance of the digested food into the body. And finally, the undigested material is eliminated from the body. Complication of indigestion is not that serious. It affects the quality of life of the person by making them feel uncomfortable, and people suffering from indigestion tend to eat less. So basically, two complications of indigestion are feeling uncomfortable and eating less. Now coming on to the patient profile of indigestion. There is no particular age group. All age group people, that is from children to geriatrics, may suffer from indigestion. So patient profile includes children, adults, diabetics and elderly, post-operative patients, pregnant women. Now let us take a look at the causes of indigestion of all these patient profile in detail. First is children. Children have an immature digestive tract in the young age, and that is why they suffer from indigestion. Also, children above 4 years of age tend to have more junk food or street food, which causes indigestion. Second is adults. Adults are at high risk because of their busy lifestyle. They eat very quickly, especially lunch, because of the workload. Also, stress is the major factor in adults for indigestion. Some people have sedentary lifestyle, that is lack of physical activity, which leads to indigestion. People on medications like antibiotic, pain relievers are at high risk of indigestion. Third is elderly. As the age increases, enzyme production is reduced in the body, which leads to indigestion. Also, medication is the major reason in elderly. Elder people have a lack of physical activity, which leads to improper digestion. Fourth is post-operative. One of the major reasons in post-operative patient is lack of physical activity. They are always in the bending over position, which slows down the movement of food, and also they are on certain medications which might cause indigestion. Fifth profile is pregnancy. Majority of pregnant women suffer from indigestion during the second and third trimester of pregnancy because of the progesterone is secreted more during this period. Progesterone hormone hampers the GI motility, hence peristalsis is reduced, and thus this leads to indigestion. Also, due to increase in size of fetus, pressure is developed on the abdomen, which hampers the movement of food. This was all about the patient profile of indigestion. Now coming on to the management of indigestion, which includes two types, that is non-pharmacological and pharmacological. Non-pharmacological management includes home remedies like hajmola, jeera goli for digestion, amla, mukwas, carbonated drinks or soda. Pharmacological treatment includes digestive enzyme supplements or antacids. We will focus on digestive enzyme supplements in the upcoming slides. Before going on to the product, we will see what are the digestive enzymes. So the simple role of digestive enzyme is to break down the complex food into the simpler one. Digestive enzyme breaks down the food into nutrients which are then absorbed in the body, as I discussed earlier. Why we need digestive enzymes? Because digestive supplement is required because natural enzymes in our body begin to decrease after 40 years of age. Another reason is stress, medication, overeating or eating too quickly, which we have seen in the causes of indigestion, affects the digestive capacity. Some people lack digestive enzyme in their body due to genetics, lifestyle, which causes indigestion in them. That is why supplementation is necessary. Also, to support our overall digestive health, we require digestive supplements. Digestive supplements which are available in the market are the conventional supplements which contains mainly the enzyme, that is protease and amylase, and we all know that protease and amylase can only digest proteins and carbohydrates in our body. Top solid brands available in the market contains only these two enzymes. But you all know that nowadays dietary pattern has changed. People are consuming more of cellulose fiber. Dietary pattern has changed, and so is the need of the digestive enzyme. So the need of an hour is people are consuming fibers, fatty foods more along with the proteins and carbohydrates. So we require a digestive supplement which fulfills the changing demand of the people. We require a digestive supplement which can digest all kinds of food, that is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, cellulose, fibers. We require a supplement which also acts on the symptoms of indigestion, that is bloating and flatulence. And we require a supplement which increases the nutrient absorption in our body. So to fulfill the changing demands, we have come up with a multi-digestive enzyme product which can digest all kind of food, that is Aristozyme Gold. So in indigestion and dyspepsia, we have Aristozyme Gold, which contains a power of 7 enzymes, which we see one by one in detail. So the first enzyme is protease, which acts on the proteins. Second is amylase, which acts on the carbohydrates. Third is lipase, which acts on the fats. Fourth is cellulase and hemicellulase, which acts on undigested fibers. Sixth is alpha galactosidase, which acts on the bloating and flatulence. And seventh is phytase, which increases nutrient absorption. Symptoms of indigestion are, as I said earlier, one will have a feeling of fullness soon while having a meal. There will be discomfort or pain in the abdomen. So first we see the protease in details. So protease break down the proteins which is in a complex form into the amino acids which is a simpler form. So proteases, also known as proteinase or peptidases, are the enzymes that digest proteins. They are vital for the digestion because they convert proteins found in foods into amino acid. Amino acids are the simpler form of proteins. Second is amylase, which acts on carbohydrates. So basically they digest carbohydrates. Amylase is an enzyme that can break down starch and it break it down into smaller carbohydrates molecule. First, the salivary glands in the mouth make salivary amylase, which begins the digestive process by breaking down starch when we chew food, converting it into a smaller carbohydrate. So to fulfill the changing demands, we have come up with a multi-digestive enzyme product which can digest all kind of food, that is Aristozyme Gold. Fourth and fifth enzymes are cellulase and hemicellulase. The activity of cellulase and hemicellulase is to break down the cellulose. The most important point is humans cannot generate cellulase. So to digest the cellulose, we require a supplementation of cellulase and hemicellulase. Therefore, in order to digest properly the herbs, sprouts and grains which are rich in cellulose, people require cellulase enzymes. So in indigestion and dyspepsia, we have Aristozyme Gold, which contains a power of 7 enzymes which we see one by one in detail. So the first enzyme is protease, which acts on the proteins. Second is amylase, which acts on the carbohydrates. Third is lipase, which acts on the... So the benefits of alpha galactosidase are they help in the digestion and maintain the proper functioning of the system. Also they reduce the intestinal gas. But you all know that nowadays dietary pattern has changed. People are consuming more of cellulose fiber. Dietary pattern has changed and so is the need of the digestive enzyme. This was all about the role of the enzymes. Now let us take a look at the market opportunity. So as a leader in the digestive market, since we have Aristozyme brand, we are the leader in the digestive market. So let's explore the opportunity of the market. If we see the total digestive market is of 764 crores, which is growing by 11.17%, out of which digestive enzyme liquid market is of 417 crores and is growing by 13%. If we see the digestive enzyme solid market, it is of 220.43 crores and is growing by 9.8%. And the third category is penetrating enzyme market, which is of 126 crore and is growing by 8.36%. If we see the digestive enzyme liquid market, we are the market leader in the liquid market. Aristozyme liquid is of 92 crores and is growing by 7.77%. We have a market share of 21.99%. Market is growing by 13%, but we are growing less than the market. Neopeptine is the second largest brand, followed by Vitazyme, Bestozyme and Digiplex. Digiplex is growing at a good rate, that is 65.72%. If we see the digestive enzyme solid market, even though we are the brand leader in the liquid enzyme market, but we could not capitalize on the solid market opportunity. If we see the solid market, number one brand is Unienzyme, which is of 88 crores and is growing by 12%, which is higher than the market. Second, third and fourth brand are penetrating enzyme brand. So basically Aristozyme is the second brand in the market, but Unienzyme is 10 times of Aristozyme in terms of value. With the help of the Aristozyme Gold, we have to surpass Unienzyme and become number one brand in solid market also. Now let us take a look at the prescription standing of digestive market as well as of Aristozyme. If we see the specialty wise ranking, Gastro emerges as the number one prescriber of solid market, followed by surgeon. Please remember that there is a very less competition in this segment, hence offers a great opportunity for us. If we see the Aristozyme capsule and liquid specialty wise prescription, though we are enjoying leadership with liquid, but long way to go in solid prescription. Our ranks are low, thus if promoted, we shall get a good share from this specialty. And with the help of Aristozyme Gold, we can capitalize this market and increase our ranking, or we can do a better our ranking in solid market also. Now let us take a look at the segmentation, targeting and positioning of Aristozyme Gold. If we talk about the segmentation, we see the overall ranking of Aristozyme. We are ranked 5th in the solid market and we are number 1 in the liquid market. In terms of prescription, we are ranked 4th in solid market and number 1 in liquid market. We are lagging behind only in solid market. So with the help of Aristozyme Gold, we can become number 1 in solid market also. If we see the target specialty, talking about the targeting of the brand, there is no particular specialty for Aristozyme Gold. Except pediatrician, all the other specialties are our target customers for Aristozyme Gold. I repeat, except pediatricians, all the other specialties are our target customers for Aristozyme Gold. Also Aristozyme Gold to be promoted to all the current Aristozyme prescribers as well. So there is no particular specialty for Aristozyme Gold. Except pediatricians, we have to promote to all the specialties. Now talking about the pricing of the competitors brand. So Unienzyme Pro of Torrent is of 13 rupees per tablet. Alphazyme of Alembic is of 9 rupees per tablet. Digipan of Alchem is of 7 rupees per tablet. Vitazyme of East India is of 7 rupees per tablet. And Enziflex of Elan Pharma is of 4 rupees per tablet. Talking about Aristozyme Gold. So Aristozyme Gold is of 8 rupees per tablet, that is 80 rupees MRP, with a PTR of 54.24 rupees and PTS of 48.8 rupees. USP of Aristozyme Gold, the most important slide, the USP of Aristozyme Gold. It contains 7 enzymes, that is the power of 7 enzymes with proven catalytic and digestive capacity. Aristozyme Gold is the first golden tablet of Aristo. Most important point, Aristozyme Gold is 100% veg source, whereas many brands available in the market are of non-veg source. Aristozyme Gold can digest all types of food. Aristozyme Gold can also digest cellulose, fibers, and also provide relief from bloating and gas. So dear aristocrats, the digestive market offers a great opportunity for us. Let us get ready and put our best to achieve minimum 200 strips productivity for the brand and surpass the first milestone of success by achieving 10 crore landmark for Aristozyme Gold. This was all about Aristozyme Gold medical as well as marketing. Any queries regarding the brand after watching this video, you can mail on bhavik.thakur@aristopharma.org or call on 8080785326. Thank you.